We are excited to announce that the 2018 voter-approved 3F bond project for West 72nd Avenue continues to make significant progress and will be entering Phase 2 construction this spring. Phase 2 construction work from Swadley Court to Oak Street will include adding temporary pavement on the north side of West 72nd Avenue. After that is complete, westbound traffic will shift to the temporary lanes, while eastbound traffic continues to use the existing roadway. This phase will also include installing new storm sewer, curb, gutter, and sidewalks on the south side of the roadway before shifting to the roadway work on the north side. The West 72nd Avenue project will upgrade signalized intersections, improve utilities and drainage conditions, add an additional vehicle lane in both directions, and provide dedicated bicycle and pedestrian facilities in both directions between Kipling Street and Sim Street. In Phase 3, the project will replace the existing at-grade railroad crossing with an underpass. We want our community to be aware of the impacts and where this work will occur so you can plan accordingly and be safe. Work will occur between the hours of 7 a.m. and 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. If any weekend work occurs, we will send out advance notifications so you can plan your trip accordingly. Be sure to visit the project website and sign up for email updates to stay informed as the project continues. The timeline for Phase 2 will be complete by the end of 2023. We want to remind our community that this schedule is subject to change due to unforeseen delays such as weather conditions. The project team will share an updated schedule when delays occur so you can plan your trip accordingly. Phase 3 will address Oak Street to Kipling Street, including the railroad underpass. This phase is currently scheduled to begin construction in the fall of 2022. Stay tuned for more information on this phase as this project progresses to successful completion. Remember, the source is your resource. Learn more and stay up to date about this project by scanning the QR code on your screen, visiting our project website, calling our hotline, emailing us, or signing up for email updates. Thank you again for voting to invest in the future of Arvada's infrastructure.